Is some items that I just picked up from the company PARDUS. And what this is a pair of glasses, and this is a water bottle, and this is a set of pedals, because the pedals on this Sonata bike here, this one turns fine, and check that out. And then you go over here to this side. Check out how this one turns. This one right here, the bearings have got kind of worn. I think it got wet when I rode it in a flood not too long ago, and I think it all kind of rusted up. I could oil it and kind of get it going there, but I wanted to upgrade these pedals anyway. And while I was on there, I went ahead and picked up a water bottle that's going to fit on my mock wheel over there, because this one actually does not have a bottle holder on it. And then I seen that they also had a cool pair of riding glasses, so I went ahead and picked up the riding glasses also. So let me go ahead and show you all the pedals, show you installing them, and then kind of like see how much better these things go. This one right here is not bad, but you've seen the other one. So let's go ahead, let's get to installing the pedals now. Here's what you get here. They're kind of packaged tightly here, and they have their brand name on them. Number one, these things feel very light. It's like it's a very, very light feel. So it's some sort of like very light aluminum, and that's kind of what I wanted. You could see the difference in the pedal there. It looks like it's a little bit wider than what's the stock on here. And I think this should all mount right up. So we'll go ahead and take this one off. You know, if you've ever installed pedals, this is pretty easy to do. This is not hard at all. You need usually a 15mm wrench, and you can get about any pedal off with that. So now what I'm gonna do is just grab the pedal here. We'll go back around. Now these can also be installed from the back, by the way. You can see how there's like where you can go a wrench. So if you wanna go in from the back, you can do that, but I'm just gonna screw them on here. So once I got it started there, I can kind of go right into place. Once you get it hand started, now you can just kind of like tighten it down. That's good, everybody. That's solid. So there's that one right there. That works pretty good right there. These don't spin as quickly as this one does, but you know what? I'm sure they'll start wearing in, and I actually do not mind that at all. That has a good smooth feel to it. Let me go ahead and do the other side. That actually is the bad one. Okay, so this is the one I actually needed to upgrade the most. There you go. Out with the old and in with the new. Well, there it is. That worked out pretty good. That went on pretty easy. So yeah, these things are going to work great. I don't see any issues with these at all. I'm going to go ahead, pedal it around, see what I think about it. Then we'll come back. Actually, let's go ahead and take a look at this. So here's the water bottle that I also picked up. The water bottle is just a solid bottle. I like that it's clear like that. It's got this top on it where it can turn on and off. So if I want less liquid or more, I do like that. I like the fact that they have a bite tab on there, and it's an adjustable. So that's locked. Now that's unlocked. So it's got a lock and unlock. So even if you squeeze it, it doesn't come off. Let's see how well it fits down. So this is the mock wheel Obsidian step through, and let's see how well it works in that cup holder. Well, you know what? That worked great. Has the logo on the front, PARDUS on the front right there. I think that's going to work fine. I don't see any issues with that at all. So looking over the glasses here, let me just see what all we got with these. So this is that night and day riding kind of yellow lens look right there. I've already taken them out and used them. It looks like you get a little microfiber cloth for cleaning them and a nice little pouch for putting them in. Let me show you kind of what these things look like. You can see how, even in some sunshine, how it knocks down the sun. Very nice. These have a very good look to them. They fit well under the helmet. They go straight out, and they kind of like go under the helmet strap. So I do like wearing them on the helmet. You know, we're starting to get into the spring. We're going to start riding some more. So get you a water bottle, because you're going to need that. And you can always upgrade some pedals, because they usually wear out after a little bit of time anyway. And always wear some sort of glasses, if nothing else, for eye protection. And you know what? Bugs and things like that going in your eyes. So yeah, there you go, everybody. That's all I got on the PARDUS, you know, little bike kit that I put together. See y'all in the next video.